about strong sex, it is very important that we understand that both men and women are fighting the battle in their own arenas. No one is less in this today's world, but women have that one extra edge, being the nurturer and the bearer of life. So yes, in that sense, they get that one extra edge and we women get extra. Thank you.
दोस्तों, सोचता हूं अगर मैं दुआ मांगता, हाथ अपने उठा के मैं क्या मांगता। जी हाँ, मैं मांगता कांसबालाइट्स और उनके परिवार की अच्छी सेहत और उनकी सक्सेस। आवर गेस्ट टुडे, शी डिस्प्लेज ब्यूटी, इंटेलिजेंस and sheer grit. She has proven her moral fiber and caliber by asserting her sovereignty in the national and international level. She displays yet again that nothing can hold one back if one is truly determined to pursue goals. Welcome to another episode of Kansbahal Radio. I am your host, Baljit Singh. Join me in greeting our guest today, Mrs. India 2020, Mrs. Navdeep Kaur, a lady who has brought immense pride to Odisha, Sundargarh, and of course, Kansbahal. Please put your hands together to applaud her. Welcome to Kansbahal Radio, Mrs. Navdeep Kaur.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be here.
Okay, so I will begin with a question which sounds a little silly, but I have to ask you in the context of your life in Rourkela and life after marriage in Kansbahal. So the question is, please tell us about yourself.
So, to start with, I'm Navdeep Kaur, the title winner of Mrs. India World for the year 2020-2021. I'm the only Indian woman who's representing in Mrs. World from our country, India.
Yeah.
And I'm 31 years old, born and brought up in the steel city of Odisha, Rourkela.
Mm-hmm.
I have been married for the past 7 years, and I'm a proud mother of my 5-year-old daughter, Jasleen.
Great.
A computer science engineer and a master's in business administration. Talking about my passions, I am passionate about dancing. I started my classical dance training when I was 3 years old.
Okay.
I invest my leisure in making handicrafts and sketches. And professionally, I have been associated with the field of education and training for the past 7 years, as I love teaching, as it helps me to bring a positive difference in someone's life. Yes.
Okay, so can you give me a little introduction in context to your in-laws, Kansbahal relations?
So, talking about my in-laws, they are more dear to me than my parents. This is something so selfish that I'm saying right now, but they have helped me grow as a person. They have stood by me equally as did my parents.
Mm-hmm.
When I talk about this journey, how I started it, I had my inhibitions. I wasn't sure. Being a married woman, should I register for something like this or not?
Yeah.
It had come from my friends who wanted me to register, but it was my husband who took it forward, and my mother-in-law was the first person to say that just don't register. I'm sure that you will win it.
Okay.
These were the first words she told me, and even when I won, I got goosebumps, and I still remember those words because it did make a mark in my head.
Mm.
So I'm grateful to have such wonderful people around me, be my parents, be my in-laws, everyone around.
Okay, so just taking this question forward, How did you prepare for Mrs. India pageant?
I have always taken life once at a time.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, every day begins with new learnings. And with this pageant coming into my life, I have pushed myself out of my comfort zone. Being an educator, being a personality development trainer, and being involved with the field of education and training, this field was very new to me.
Okay.
So I had to drill myself. I was learning new things every day, like per se acquiring skills of professional makeup artists, walking the ramp with 5 inches of heels, which was something I'd never thought I would do.
Okay.
Focusing on myself holistically. How do I need to grow?
Yeah.
Meditating every day
Mm.
amidst all the ruckus that was happening, COVID, lockdown, getting to know few near and dear ones getting affected by it. Still, it was how important it was for me to train myself to stay calm at such situations.
Yeah. Yeah.
And apart from this, I took up many multiple professional trainings to groom myself
Mm.
to become a better version. And I must say, I have proved it to myself that the more hard work you put in, the best of results you get. And
Yes.
hence I won the title.
Great. Great. Mm. So, Navdeep, tell me, how do you see yourself in future?
Um, for sure, I hope and I manifest to bring back the crown of Mrs. World to India after 21 years. It's been 21 years that India has won the Mrs. World crown.
Okay.
And apart from that, talking about personally where I want to see myself, after winning the crown, I'm sure that I want to take ahead the legacy of my education, of being an educator. I want to open a school. This is what I dream for. This is a dream that I have. I want to open a school for underprivileged kids.
Okay.
And I have started taking small steps towards it, but it will take time because it's a big step.
Mm-hmm.
So every step would count.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, very noble thought. I mean, okay, this Mrs. World pageant, when it is going to be held?
So the dates aren't declared yet because
Okay.
of the COVID pandemic happening all around the world.
Mm-hmm.
But probably it would be December
Okay.
2021 at the end of this year. This is what we are hoping for. Yet officially the dates are yet to be declared.
So, the preparations are on for it, you can say.
Yes, every day.
Okay.
Something or the other. I'm just growing every day bit by bit.
So, do you have any role model, Navdeep?
So I was saying that I don't idolize someone, one individual. Rather, get inspired from many different characteristics that multiple people around me have.
Mm-hmm.
Be it the attitude of gratitude, hard work from my husband, my father, who has been such a strong personality in my life.
Yeah.
My in-laws who have always been so supportive. And apart from that, if I talk about idolizing some eminent personality, I surely get some inspiration from our late president, Dr. Abdul Kalam ji,
Okay.
because being from the line of education and how inspired I am, he had a quote which said that education is the most powerful weapon which anyone can use to change the world.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the words of him which always I try to resonate my life with.
Great. So, I have a list of very long questions to be asked to you. Because our listeners, they have put a lot of their questions to me that you should ask this and you should ask that. Tell
My
me now.
pleasure answering them.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tell me any challenges you have faced and how do you overcome it?
To be honest, my initial inhibition was the fear of getting judged by everyone when I took this first step. When this step came into my life, I was not sure how people would react, but it came very easy to me because of my supportive family and friends around.
Yeah.
Apart from that, my other big fear was how would I manage my existing professional life and my personal commitments along with the new endeavor that I was plunging into.
Okay.
But then I just overcame it with a better scheduling process and prioritizing my errands throughout the day.
Yeah.
Make a schedule and then things are really easy for you to go and get it.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So Navdeep, lovingly we call you Komal also, and
Yes.
I know you since long years. I know your father, Sardar Jagdev Singh ji, so well. Even your Bade Papa, Hardev Singh ji, so well. And even you have come to a family of Kansbahal. I mean, a very dear family in Kansbahal. Your father-in-law, late
Yes.
Sukhbir Singh ji, your uncle-in-law, late Kulwinder Singh ji, and all these people are very well into Kansbahalites.
I've been blessed with the best set of parents on both sides, best set of family. I might have done something really great in life to get these people.
Of course, of course. Know your family so well for years together. I mean, it's almost 50 years we know your family. So, what do you think is the biggest problem facing in today's teens and the youth? Please tell.
Mm, According to me, having said that, we have the Z generation growing up in the technological world right now who are so well advanced than what we were during our times.
Mm-hmm.
In this technologically advanced world, everyone's running his own race. They're struggling to meet their deadlines.
Yeah,
But what they really need to do is we need to make sure that they pause, acknowledge, and value what we already have around us.
yeah.
While simultaneously in the process of growing, it is important for our youth and our teens to be full of compassion and emotion.
Of course.
Then our world would be a better place to live in.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes you have pressure, a lot different kind of pressure. So, Komal, tell me, how do you handle some peer pressure?
With the crown comes a lot of responsibility.
Yeah.
And the moment I was crowned, I had many people around me to guide me and to, help me know that yes,
Mm-hmm.
this is something जो आपको face करना पड़ेगा eventually.
Yes, yes, yes. Mm.
तो कहीं ना कहीं मैं उस चीज के लिए तैयार थी
Mm-hmm.
कि अब इतनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आई है तो प्रेशर भी आएगा.
Mm.
Talking about how do I deal with it and I cope with it is the best way is to stay calm within.
Mm.
I meditate a lot and I focus on just being a better version of myself. I don't let the peer pressure hamper my peace of mind.
Okay.
I just take one step every time. Yes, sir.
So, a lot of meditation helps you to be calm and quiet and excel in life.
Yes.
नवदीप की जिंदगी में अगर कोई एक विश होती तो वो क्या होती? आइए पूछते हैं नवदीप से ही. बताइए नवदीप.
अभी के सिनेरियो में अगर आप मेरे को पूछोगे तो देयर इज दिस वन विश व्हिच आई से डे एंड नाइट दैट इज गॉड प्लीज क्योर आवर वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम दिस कोविड वायरस.
Yes.
This coronavirus thing is actually taking away so many lives.
Mm-hmm.
And we're dreading news is coming in कि अभी third wave आना है. There's this Delta strain which is coming in.
Yeah.
New variants mutating every second time. So this is one wish I really hope gets granted as soon as possible.
Of course. Even every one of us, all Indians, all human beings throughout the world,
Yes.
throughout the globe.
Throughout the world.
Throughout the
I
world,
just
yes.
read one news today only that in August it is being expected that 90% of Europe's population may get hit by the new variant, the Delta variant that is coming in. And that was so heartbreaking to read something like this and come across a news something like this.
Mm-hmm.
And I really hope things get well as soon as possible. It'll take time, but then I'm hoping gradually things start getting, it declines with time. It will not vanish, but hoping that it subsides and it declines with time.
Yes. Even everyone wishes so. So let me move to the next question. What is Navdeep's biggest fear?
I'm a very calm person. So talking about fears that I have, there's one fear which I have. That is the fear of unknown.
Okay.
And the fear of not getting it right. Maybe I'm a mother of a 5-year-old.
Mm-hmm.
So as a mother, I know that I don't know what's happening next. I don't know what she may do next. As a
Mm-hmm.
pageant holder, as a title holder, as
Okay.
the winner of the crown, I don't know what will happen next. So
Mm-hmm.
there's always this fear of unknown, the fear of not getting it right.
Mm-hmm.
But then from life, I've learned that I either win or I will learn. So even if I get that feeling of fear, I build up all the courage and I try to move ahead.
That's a general type of feeling. Everybody has got a fear in the mind,
Yes,
but there is some superpower who sets everything right. Like that has been done for you by the God Almighty.
yes, it does. And I feel so grateful about it.
Yeah. Any favorite book or movie, Navdeep?
So I have a favorite book that is You Can Win by
Oh
Shiv
yeah.
Khera. This is the book which I had by my side throughout my journey.
Okay.
And even years before, I have this book for years with me now. It is a very motivational book which emphasizes on how we all are winners. We need to believe in ourselves and embrace ourselves the way we are.
Yeah.
Let us not try to copy someone else, rather concentrate on what we are. हम अगर इस चीज पे ज्यादा ध्यान दें कि मैं कैसी हूँ and try to be a better version of what I am actually right now will help me grow rather than I trying to just copy someone I idolize. For that matter, say our late President Abdul Kalam ji. I just cannot just copy him. Because there might be different traits I have and he has. I get inspired by what he does. We all can get inspired by different people. But then this book teaches you that you already are a winner. If you're breathing at this moment, if you're living at this moment, we are winners. और इस कोविड वाले सिनेरियो में तो हम सबको, हम जितने लोग जी रहे हैं, हमें we should be proud of ourselves.
Yeah.
कि we have fought this battle in our own ways. So there's this quote from the book which says that winners don't do different things; they do things differently.
Differently,
So this
yes.
is what moves me the best.
So, in context of COVID, yes, you are right. Those who have survived the COVID till now, we are the winners. And in your case, I will tell you, you have already won half of the battle, and Navdeep, because you are already Mrs. India crown. So, okay, best of luck for your Mrs. World crown also.
I'm hoping for the best.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Any other hidden talent you have?
Actually, no.
No.
Because if I have any, I am exploring myself every day, and then that is not hidden. There's nothing that I have hidden it from my family or someone doesn't know. If I have it, I have shown it. Because otherwise, as I just told you about myself in my introduction, that I'm a very artistic person. I love to dance, paint, draw. I make handicrafts.
Okay.
I have a very strong inclination, artistic inclination. And being in this line of education, I believe in projecting myself the way I am. So
Great.
this is a very tough question for me to answer. I don't have any hidden talent.
As a celebrity, you have to answer some tough questions also, my dear.
Agreed. You asked me a tough one.
Okay. I will ask you a simpler one now. 7 साल हो गए आपकी शादी को. आप राउरकेला की बेटी से कांसबाल की बेटी बन गई. मुझे ये बताइए कि कांसबाल ने आपकी पर्सनैलिटी को डेवलप करने के लिए या फिर आपने अब तक जो कुछ अचीव किया है उसमें कांसबाल का क्या योगदान रहा है? हाउ कांसबाल हैज हेल्प्ड यू टू अचीव व्हाट यू आर नाउ?
दिस इज अ वेरी डियर क्वेश्चन टू मी. अगर मैं दिल खोल के अगर आपको बात बताऊं तो वो ये है कि यूजुअली अगर मैं कांसबाल की सिर्फ बात करूं पहले, तो ये एक बहुत काम और सीरीन सी जगह है. बहुत शांति है यहाँ पे.
Yes.
वो जो सिटी लाइफ होती है विद पीपल हॉकिंग अराउंड और इतना ही भीड़ भाड़, यहाँ बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं है. बहुत अच्छी सी शांति. इट्स अ प्लेजेंट प्लेस एंड यू गेट दैट that calmness within. आज
Yes.
आप जब भी बाहर निकलो, गिने चुने लोग रहते हैं यहाँ पे, हम हर एक दूसरे को शक्ल से पहचानते हैं, हमें पता है कि अच्छा ये उसके पापा हैं, ये हमारे
Yeah.
उसके फ्रेंड है, ये मेरी फ्रेंड है, मतलब सब एक दूसरे से किसी ना किसी तरह से जुड़े हुए हैं.
Yes, yes.
एंड हैड आई बीन इन सम बिगर सिटी तो शायद मैं इतनी मेहनत नहीं करती, क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा लगता कि मैं एक छोटी सी जगह से हूँ, और छोटी सी जगह से होने के कारण आई डिड पुट इन 200% ऑफ माई एफर्ट्स.
Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे वो एक डर था मन में, माई फियर ऑफ अननोन, कि पता नहीं जो लोग बड़े शहरों में रहते हैं या जिनके पास बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज हैं या रिसोर्सेज हैं,
Okay.
वो किस तरह से प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे या क्या ही कर रहे होंगे. बट इन माई केस, बिलोंगिंग टू सच अ स्मॉल प्लेस, अगर कुछ स्ट्रेस भी होता था, वॉक करने निकलती थी तो इतने स्माइलिंग चेहरे और इतना वेलकम, यू फील सो वेलकम्ड व्हेन यू आर अराउंड दीज पीपल. तो इट रियली डिड हेल्प स्टेइंग इन अ स्मॉल प्लेस, कि वो एक्सटर्नल कमोशन नहीं था मेरी लाइफ में, जब ऑलरेडी इतना स्ट्रेस चल रहा था,
Right.
इतना बर्डन था, इतना एफर्ट्स डालना था टू विन समथिंग. एंड वंस आई वन इट, जो वार्मथ और जिस ओपन हार्ट के साथ मेरे को एक्सेप्ट किया गया, द प्रोसेशन दैट माई कांसबलाइट्स टुक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, और जो उन्होंने किया मेरे लिए, इट वॉज वंडरफुल एंड इट वॉज हार्ट टचिंग. वो एक फीलिंग है जो मैं शायद जिंदगी भर नहीं भूल पाऊंगी. जो इज्जत मुझे कांसबाल से मिली, जितना प्यार उन्होंने मुझे दिया, द विनिंग मोमेंट एंड द मोमेंट आई स्टेप्ड इन कांसबाल विथ माई क्राउन, दैट लव आई विल नेवर फॉरगेट. मैं भूल ही नहीं सकती.
Great. I will just try to add a few lines to what you said. कांसबहाल में एक शांति है, एक खामोशी है, जो कहीं चुपके से आपको हेल्प करती है कि आप अपनी लाइफ में कुछ करो.
एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई सेड. एकदम मुझ में भी यही फीलिंग आती थी. मैंने बोला ना, जब सेशंस बैक टू बैक हो रहे होते थे, हमारे रोज सेशंस होते थे, और जब अचानक से ऐसे बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड फील होता था, तो आई यूज्ड टू गो आउट फॉर माई वॉक्स, और जब वॉक पे निकलो तो वो इतनी स्माइलिंग चेहरे और शांति, और देयर इज सम wonderful magical calmness that we have in Kansbal.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. और यही कामनेस, यही शांति, यही चुपके से कुछ कह जाने वाली जो बात है ना, वो खाली कोमल आपके ऊपर नहीं लागू होती. ऐसे कांसबाल के बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो निकल के कांसबाल जैसे छोटी जगह से निकल के इतनी ऊंचाइयों पर पहुंचे हैं कि वहां से अगर वो कांसबाल को देखते होंगे तो बोले, अरे मैं इतनी शांत जगह में रहता था. सो जो कांसबाल की शांति है, जो आपने बताया कि परिचित चेहरे,
मैजिक इन द एयर.
yes, definitely. I mean, we say that you can take a Kansbalite out of Kansbahal, but you cannot take out Kansbahal from a Kansbalite.
I so resonate to this.
Yes. Okay, so I would like to continue this discussion for another half an hour or so. What I think now, we are running out of fuel now. So give me your parting message for our listeners. Like you'd like to give something from your inner heart for our listeners of Kansbahal Radio.
A small message जो मैं सबको देना चाहूंगी, जो अगर मैं बताऊं तो मेरी अपनी लाइफ की फिलॉसफी भी है.
Yeah.
The philosophy of my life runs between the lines of staying optimistic. हमेशा सही सोचें, कभी pessimistic ना हो. Always stay optimistic and understand the power of manifestation. अगर हमें पता है हमें क्या चाहिए, then your hard work and dedication will let you to win it. We need to be affectionate and courageous, courteous towards each other. हम जब किसी से मिले, एक स्माइल के साथ मिले, and connect with people, because with the way world is around us, it is very important that we just give back the world what we receive from it. अगर हमें बहुत सारा प्यार चाहिए तो हमें बहुत सारा प्यार देना पड़ेगा.
Great.
Thank you.
So मुझे वो गाने की लाइन याद आ गई. शायद वो कैसा था कि किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार. Okay, so you should always take the कंस्ट्रेंट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ, द सोरोस ऑफ योर लाइफ विद अ स्माइल, आपको आगे जाने के लिए ये प्रेरित करता है. सो नवदीप कौर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
थैंक यू
ज्वाइन.
सो मच अंकल, बहुत अच्छा सेशन था, मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
So this is I will tell you, this is a small it is a small conversation between you and me, and it will go to all कांसबहलिtes. I mean, जो भी कांसबहल में रहे हैं, जो कांसबहल से जुड़े हुए हैं या थे, ये कांसबहल रेडियो के पहुंच उन तक है. And we on behalf of Kansbahal Radio, I personally thank you. You have been so dear to me. We have a family relation also. And on behalf of radio team, I mean Kansbahal radio team also, and on behalf of every Kansbahalite, especially the young Kansbahalites whom you inspire, looking at you, they can think that even in Kansbahal we can do something. So on behalf of everybody, all listeners here, I personally thank you. Thank you so much, Navdeep, for being here.
Thank you so much, uncle. It's a moment of gratitude for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
नवदीप कौर की सक्सेस स्टोरी सुनने के बाद जो शेर मेरे जहन में आता है वो कुछ इस प्रकार है. कौन कहता है आसमां में सुराख नहीं हो सकता? कौन कहता है आसमां में सुराख नहीं हो सकता? एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. कांसबहल यादें, कांसबहल रेडियो. जल्द मिलते हैं अगले संडे. तब तक सुनते रहिए, सुनाते रहिए कांसबहल रेडियो.